One of the best pocket knives in the planet, history of the world. I remember saving up forever when I was a boy to get the stainless steel Spyderco Police. We're talking the serrated version. Nearly flawless in every capacity, in my opinion, because I just loved it. You can see the size there. Classic folding design, timeless stainless steel design. It seems like when it all just comes together, it's just a clean, nice weight, nice feel, everything about it, all around. One of the best pocket knives, Spyderco Police.